Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have EyeScream Beauty. So EyeScream Beauty is a monthly makeup and beauty box. This one leads more towards the makeup than the skincare, but I can't wait to get in it and see what's in here. They have two different boxes. They have a box and a bag. The box, which is what I have, is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size products and a palette guaranteed in every box. If you get the bag, it's $12.50 a month and you get 3 to 5 full-size products. If you want to try this, you can use the code UNBOX by G. That is UNBOXBYG. I'll put it down there. And you'll get 10% off of your first month. That doesn't help me out, but it does help you out, and that's what I love about it. So let's open this box and see what's inside because they always wow me. That palette from last month, oh my goodness, y'all. Ooh, got peanuts. Got peanuts. So here is my little August card. It says Camp Glam. Cute. Let me pull this out so I don't get peanuts everywhere. That's all I need with kitty cats. Y'all, my kitties have been having it rough lately. I ran out of what I normally give them for hairball treats. And so I decided, well, I'm going to try some healthier brands. Well, they want to eat them. So I was smushing them up in their food to get them to eat them. Now they're being sick all the time. So I tried a different one. Still being sick all the time. So if you got any tips or tricks for the kitties' bellies, please let me know because my kitties are having it rough lately. And the one I used to get, the one that I didn't consider a healthy and safe treat for them, you had to feed them like 10 or 11 at a time, and they've went up way up in price. So I was paying a fortune for them. Back to the makeup. Let's just look at the palette first. We'll go in the order the card has here. Love a palette. This is Ace Beauty. This is Scarlet Dusk palette. It is a $35 value. Scarlet Dusk. Very pretty. I do like Ace Beauty. I don't use it very often, but I do have several of their palettes. Wow, this one is very peachy pink orangey. It's pretty though. I do like it. I'm not going to touch it right now because I have so many that I need to go through. But they are pretty. These are shimmers. This is shimmer. This is a shimmer. Can y'all see that? Very pretty. I do want to stick my fingers in there, but I am going to restrain myself for this moment. All right, this is Bella Pierre. I just went out of order. Cosmetics. This is Saturn Holographic Lipgloss. Oh, cool. It is $20 value. Holographic lip gloss. I do enjoy a gloss, especially over the top. Oh, pretty. Oh, it smells good. Kind of strong, but pretty. I love putting stuff like this over the... You know what? Let's just... Oh, that's nice. Yes, I like that. Crown Pro. That must be these. Metallic Eyeliner Duo. $7 value. Oh, yay. It's purple, y'all. Hang on. Here we go. Oh, I can't believe that came off like that. Never does that for me. What does that say? Purple Fairy. Purple Fairy. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Yeah, just wait. I'll be wearing it down here on my lower line. This one is Gone Platinum. Ooh. Oh, wow. That's very pretty. That would look good on that lower waterline, too. Just to give you some drama when you're doing a smoky eye. Yes, I like those. That's nice. Next on here is my Skinny Mask Miracle Hydrating Cream. It is a $40 value. Miracle Hydrating Serum. This says serum, that says cream. With prickly pear seed oil. I do like the prickly pear. And vitamin A, C, and E. Instantly brightening, hydrating glow. Plant-based beauty. This is an Australian company. Keep your skin super hydrated. Infused with protein, vitamins A, C, and E, and prickly pear seed oil. That helps refine pores and brighten dull and tired skin. Directions: apply 2 to 3 drops morning and night for best results. Oh, look how pretty. So it's not a cream, it is definitely a serum. Your glow girl. Can y'all see it there? All right, that's nice. You know, the first time I ran across something that said it had prickly pear in it, I so expected it to be like tingly or something. But it's not. But this is nice. The last thing on here is this Blush and Glow Duo by IBY Beauty. Carry on. This is a $22 value. So let's look at the blush first. I like these little IBY things. They're very cute. They're great to carry with you, but they do tend to stack up a lot. You know, it takes up a lot of room. So there is your blush. Oh, it feels nice. That's nice. I like that. I'd have to see it on me to see how it blends on my cheeks though. Very cute. Get glowing. Our ultra fine high impact formula will pop all your favorite features. It is in Sun Kissed, and this is the highlighter. This is in Wanderlust. It says the same thing as the other one did. Put it on the same. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's pretty. I love a highlighter. I am such a sucker for a highlighter. I love them. Very cute. Very cool. All right, so that was everything that was in the Ice Cream Beauty box. What do y'all think? Do you think it was worth what I paid for it, which was $25? I mean, I think your palette or your serum alone would be worth that. I really like these. I love these. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Y'all comment below and tell me what you think. Have you tried it before? I want to know what how y'all did. Did you get the same things I got, or did you get something different? Let me know below. And I'd really appreciate it if you press all of those lovely YouTube buttons. So first, you want to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know that you liked the video. And if you give it a thumbs down, please let me know what you didn't like about it so that I can improve. I do love some constructive criticism. Then you want to make sure you're subscribed. If that button is red where it says subscribe, you're not subscribed to my channel. You need to go ahead and click it and turn it into a little gray button that says subscribed. It is absolutely free subscribing to my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Then you want to go and tell your friends about it so they can subscribe too. I really appreciate it if you do that. I'm so happy we are growing the channel. After that, this one's optional, y'all. They have a super thanks on there. That's like giving me a tip. All proceeds from my tips are going to go towards doing the studio. And thank you so very much if you decide to give me a tip. You can give them as little as $2, or you can give it up to like $50. It's completely up to you. Then you need to press that little notification bell. That way you will get notifications on when I put new videos out. Try to post one every day. Sometimes I do shorts at night. I'm just trying to do it every night, but I've kind of fallen off of it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.